My name is Chris Damiano. I'm a fourth grade teacher at Kinderman Elementary School in Beaverton, Oregon. My students and I have been recently using the Explor-eBook to work on fluency goals. And it all started when we started using the recording tool just to record ourselves read passages and play it back to ourselves. It was important to us to have the process as student-centered as possible. I was already familiar with the homework functionality in Explor-eBook and thought that might work well for both giving the student directions and for having the students report back their fluency as self-assessment to me. So here's how it works. I create a homework assignment in Explor-eBook that gives students directions on a few things. How to use our fluency rubric to set fluency goals, which book and specific passage to practice and then record, how to reference the fluency rubric to self-assess as they listen to their recorded piece, and finally, a prompt to help them reflect on the whole experience for the Explor-eBook homework. You know,